Today I will do assembly a bearing. Okay, let's start. Now go to new and click assembly and click OK. Now choose a assembly inner ring, bearing inner ring, just click and click OK. Now click OK. Again go to insert component and click bearing outer ring and click open and just click OK. Again go to mat and click this surface and click this inner face and click OK. Again go to advanced and click width and click this face. Again click this face. Again click this face and click this face. Now see and click OK. OK, just click OK and go to insert component and click ball bearing ball and click OK. Just click here and go to mat. Just go to this ball bearing inner ring and click front plane and choose this ball bearing ball and click front plane and just make sure it is coincident and click OK. Again go to ball bearing inner ring and click right plane. Again go to ball bearing ball and click right plane and click, just make sure it is coincident and click OK. Just see, just you can move it from here, just keep it. Again go to click this ball and click this inner slot and make sure it is tangent and click OK. Now click OK. Now see our ball is fixed and just click here and right click and click fix and again right click and click float. Now see it is moving or not, just see it is moving. Okay, just now go to linear pattern component and click circular component and go to just here for this temporary axis, just show and go to direction, click and this direction will be this temporary axis and it will be number of 8. Just click this component, it will be this component pattern. Now see and click OK. Now our ball is fully created. Okay, just again go to insert component and choose bearing case and click open. Just open here and go to move component, just click rotate component, just rotate it, just it rotate. Okay, Now again click this, click move, just move it in the center line, just OK. Now now go to insert mat and just move it. This is the center of this bearing case. Just click this center, it is the bearing case center, and choose this main bearing center. This is the main bearing center, just click. Make sure it is coincident and click OK. Just move it. Just move it here. Now fix it in this point. Just move it and fix and click OK. Just go to this linear component and go to click mirror. Just click this as a mirror face, click this face and click this, and now go to next and see, it is mirror, and now click OK. Now see, just go to design library and click this rivet and drag it, OK, and choose this size 2 and type A and length will be 6, and just it will be same and click OK. Yeah, now see, now just cancel. OK, just delete it. Yeah, now see, our rivet is properly fixed. OK, now go to linear pattern, circular component pattern, and choose this direction. This is this direction, and this pattern component, this is the pattern component, and it will be number of 8. Just click OK. Now see, all rivet are fixed. OK, our rivet is connected. Just go to mat and click this center line and click this center line. Make sure it is coincident and click OK. Now see, and click OK. Just move it. Yeah, our bearing is fully assembly. Just it. Now see, our bearing is fully created as assembly. Yeah, just move it. Yeah.